How to log in to Amazon Chime. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Amazon Chime account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser and simply search for Amazon Chime. Now for people who did not know, Amazon Chime is a video conferencing app or a website where you can talk to different people, you can simply communicate with different people. So after you've just searched for Amazon Chime, open the link up. You can directly head over to this website as well. And after you're there, you will see Amazon Chime. Now, if you head over to this top option on the top right corner that says profile, you'll get the login option. Tap on the login option and it should take you to another page right here. Now you can log in with your Amazon account as well. It's that simple. And if you're already logged in into your Amazon account, it will automatically log you into it as well. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is now type in your email address. So type in your email address that is affiliated to your Amazon Chime account, which you used while you were creating your Amazon Chime. So after you've done that, tap on next, and it will take you to another page. After you've been redirected, you'll get to this page right here. Now you'll need to type in your name. So just type in your name and then hit enter. It will take you to another page. Now they will send you a Gmail. So just head over to your email and then you will get the verification code. So just type the verification code in and hit verify. Now this will verify that your Gmail is authentic and you have an account. So with that, now you are logged in into your Chime account. So simply type in your password and then you're good to go. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.